Hey guys, so welcome back to the NickiHeartBeat channel. I'm so excited today because I brought this look to you, honey. I gave you all the drama that you need in your life in this video right here. I did this very smoky black, kind of little bit of cat eye for you guys, and I hope you guys like it. I used the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, and I really do like it, you guys. So if you want to see how I got this look, honey, keep watching. So I'm back. Okay, so yeah, I'm back. I'm back today with the new. Okay, I got a lot of new-ish, and I'm just so happy. I'm celebrating my birthday tomorrow, July 31st. I am a Leo, and I got a lot of new makeup, some gifted to me, some that I just bought for myself. So I wanted to use some of it, not all of it, just some of it. So I'm gonna start out with this palette, this Urban Decay Born to Run palette. It's absolutely gorgeous. I've been using it a lot. So pretty, right? So I want to create a look with this, and I don't know what I'm doing as usual. What's new? Let's figure this look out. And yes, my mirror is in the video. So I'm starting out with my P. Louise base. Gonna start out with this color here, Still Shot. I'm using a clean brush to just blend upwards towards my brow. I'm just gonna keep doing that in circular light-handed motions until I get the blend that I want. This color, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Baja next, this color here. So I'm bringing it out a little bit, like a little cat eye type ending. So I don't know where I'm going with this. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the peachy color because I don't want to lose it. So I'm gonna go right over. Alright, I'm gonna go into the color Riff next. That's this color here. I'm just gonna go for it, and I'm gonna just put black on my lid. I mean, it's been a while since I've done a black smoky eye on my channel. I'm gonna use this Urban Decay 24/7 pencil in Perversion, and what I'm going to do is slowly add this black eyeliner as a base. I'm going to get a clean brush to start blending this out. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the colors Riff, and then I'm going to go also in this color right here, Punk. And I'm just going to keep it really low in the crease. Kind of like mixing three colors at the same time to get a gradient blend. It's going in with that dark brown Punk by itself. Don't worry, it's gonna come together, but we have to build that transition first before we add the black eyeshadow on top. I'm just gonna take my clean brush and just keep blending that crease. So I'm going to use a different brush, my Sigma E55 brush in this color right here called Jet, this black. So I think this is pretty much the blend that I want, give or take. The lashes, the inner corner highlight, a brow will help. So let me do the other eye and let's see what we got, what we're working with. Let's see. So for my waterline, I'm gonna go in with the Inglot because I'm finding that the Urban Decay is a little too much for my waterline. It's making my eyes very sensitive. So I'd rather just go in with the Inglot because that seems to work better for me. So I'm going to use a 212 brush from MAC and I'm just going to slob it on. Let's move on to the face. So like I was saying, I got new. When I get to that part, I'll let you know what the new stuff. Alright, so let's start with the Prep and Prime and the Farsali. New. Got the new. So excited. Hold on. Okay, so yeah, I got this Marc Jacobs Fantasy Dewdrops. Yes, that's the new. And I put too much on the back of my hand, so I'm gonna just use my brush. This really helps with a very glowy foundation. The foundation I'm using today is my Huda Beauty. Huda. Why did you have to say it that way? Huda. Okay, so I'm gonna just put this on the back of my hand. One nice big pump. And I'm using my brush. I haven't been using it on camera a lot, but I recently started using it again. Instead of using it with my beauty blender, it applies so much better with a brush. So now I've been using it much more. It's a perfect color for me. I'm gonna go over it just to take away any excess that I may have of the foundation. New is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I have really been enjoying this concealer, like for real. And I don't feel like putting on my Becca under eye brightening corrector right now, so that's why I'm just going directly in with my concealer. Love this concealer. You guys, this is a must. I'm telling you right now. This concealer right here is a must buy. If you haven't bought it yet, I know you've seen everybody using it and it's because it's bomb. Look at that. Oh, so good. This is the LC Velvet Sponge. It was sold out for like 82 days, but now it's finally back in stock. You guys have seen me use this before on my channel. It's everything. Go get it. This is a must buy too. And it's cheaper than the Beauty Blender. Let's use a small brush to blend this into the lower lash line. I'm gonna just put whatever's left down here. Breaking out right here must be my birthday gift. Okay, so let me get my little Mercier for my nose, because you know I need my nose. I love to rub it in first, especially on the sides of my nose, and then I like to go in and pack it on like that. The cousin, the husband, brother to Born This Way concealer is this Derma Blend powder. These two together, honey, put them together. I'm trying to let y'all know now. Sponge. You know, I always like to just dab it on the back of my hand because I want that extra to go there. I don't want it to go on my face. And then I will not even really bake, but more like set this area by just pressing it in. So smooth. All right. So let's put some brows on because we're looking kind of crazy. Oh yeah, this doesn't look like somebody. Let's get some color on the face. Let's do that first. I'll go in with my NC45 from MAC Studio Fix powder. So let's get this nose contour together. Same powder, NC45. Grab my NC25 to go down the bridge of my nose. Alright, so let that sit. Do the under eyes because the under eyes need to be done. Like, you don't know what's going on there. I'm gonna go back in once again with the Still Shot. Let's go in with the color Riff. I'll add a little bit of the Punk, which was the brown. I'll add a little bit of that. So I had to smoke it out off camera really quick because my battery went dead and I was in the midst of it, honey. I couldn't get up and change the battery. So, alright, so I'm gonna wipe away all this loose powder. Because, honey, I look like powder patty cake. Okay. I'm gonna spray my face with some Fix Plus and my Tatcha Dewy Mist. How my face is drying because I need to fix this. What's that about? I don't know. I'm gonna go in with this color Breakaway, this color here, and I'm gonna use that in my inner corner. Looks really pretty, so let's see how that does. So I'm gonna use Champagne Pop from Becca. Been using this like almost every day, oldie but goodie. If you ask me, when you're doing a dark smoky eye look like this, you have to have blush. So I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia and I'm gonna go in with this color here. All right, let's figure out the lips. The lips, honey. So I'm just reaching what I have next to me, this Angelic lipstick from Huda Beauty. I've been wearing it by itself. It's really pretty by itself, you guys. Look how pretty that is. No liner. Oh. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. Oh my gosh, honey, this is Smoky Drama 101. This is your extra smoky look with this Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I do really love this palette. Do I love the black in the palette? Not really. I love it because there's different colors, right? I feel like you get a whole range of colors in this palette. I really love the mirror. I love how sturdy it is. It is a big palette for traveling. But if you take this with you, you won't really need to bring anything else unless you want to do like a look like this. Then you're gonna need a deep black base. Because the black is not black, you know what I mean? But other than that, I really do love how they blend. I love layering shadows to see if it works out. Do they get a little patchy? Do they just disappear? In this palette, you don't get that. So Definitely a good palette to get if you want to pay the $65, honey. I believe it was $65. That's why it was a gift to myself, okay? The Fantasy Dewdrops from Marc Jacobs. Yes. Yes, I'm here for them. It's not a must, but if you're a beauty lover like me and you want to have like a glowy base or mix this into your foundation, especially if you're using like a really dewy foundation, I think this will really turn up. And then the last thing that I used that was new was the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, honey. This is a must. Out of everything else that I used today, this you have to go get. This is going to change your life. Okay, so new concealer alert. But other than that, I really hope you guys love this look the way I do. But yeah, it's kind of all over the place with this damn smoky eye, and I think because the damn black dot. Ooh, child, just let's not get started with that, okay? So anyways, I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next video. I don't know what I'm gonna do next, but let me know.